Hey, what's up? Today we're going to take a look at Xiaomi's new desktop audio system. Is it any good? Let's find out. Let's go. So this is Xiaomi's new desktop speaker set. In the box you'll find this little instruction manual and a right speaker, which has the power button, volume controls, auxiliary connection, and the left speaker, which is hardwired to be connected to the right speaker. Then there's a power supply and an included aux cable. The speakers look nicely designed. They're very small and actually got some weight to it. They're 13 by 66 millimeters and 19 millimeters deep, made out of pretty decent quality plastic. The speakers use two 12-watt speaker drivers that are capable of reproducing sound from 60 Hz to 20 kHz. You can connect your computer, tablet, or phone using the provided aux cable or use a wireless connection over Bluetooth 4.2. You can enable this Bluetooth by double pressing the button on top. The Xiaomi desktop speaker has built-in DSP for audio processing and an independent amplifier, and it actually comes equipped with a built-in microphone for voice calls. Now let's plug these speakers in and listen to what they sound like. Generally speaking, the speakers sound pretty good for what they cost. They sound a little bit boxy, but not nearly as bad as many of its competitors. I've played music, watched some YouTube and some TV shows using these speakers, and they're really quite impressive for their size and price. They've got quite a full low end and produce a lot of bass, which is good for what they're intended to be, which is desktop speakers. They seem to have a bit of a bump around 200 Hz, making the low end sound a little bit fuller. Gotta keep in mind that they're really small speakers, so they kind of sound like they are, but compared to some other desktop speakers in the same price range, they actually do sound really good, and dialogue sounds great through them. Especially when you're coming down from using your internal laptop speakers, they are a great step up. In China, they go for 399 RMB, which equals to about $60 or 50 euros, so they're actually priced in the upper range of cheap desktop speakers. For their main target audience, which seems to be people playing some games, watching some TV shows, and listening to some music, these might be the perfect speakers to get in your desk. If you're looking for a portable speaker, I just did a video comparing all the different Bluetooth speakers that Xiaomi has in store, so you might want to check out that video. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up below the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and you might want to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos if you have not done so yet. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see y'all soon. Peace!